Once upon a time, in a small town in southern Europe, a courageous mother devoted her life to work as a cook in her son's school. Despite her love and sacrifice, she had a physical characteristic that deeply embarrassed her son. She had only one eye. The young boy was in high school and felt intense shame when his mother visited him at school. Instead of appreciating her dedication, he was consumed by the fear of others' judgment. After one of his mother's visits, he returned home overwhelmed with sadness. His classmates teased him, highlighting his mother's physical uniqueness. The hurtful words of his peers triggered deep despair in the son. In a fit of anger, he wished his mother would disappear from his life forever. He longed for her never to visit him again. When he got home, he confronted his mother with words filled with hatred. He blamed her for being the cause of his problems, for her appearance and the supposed poverty they lived in due to her work. He said terrible things and deeply regretted having a mother like her. But to his surprise, his mother remained silent. In that moment, anger and resentment prevented the son from feeling remorse. With the help of some friends, he decided to leave the place that caused him so much pain. He built a new life in the north, far away from his mother. Over time, he found success and happiness in his new life. He married, started a family, and was able to largely forget the torment of his youth. However, after many years, he received an unexpected visit: his mother. His young daughter, not understanding the situation, screamed in fear upon seeing the unfamiliar woman. Instead of understanding, the son expelled his mother from his home, feeling shame and rejection towards her once again. After that painful encounter, time continued to pass. One day, he received a letter from his mother, inviting him to a family gathering at the school. Although he lied to his wife about the reason, his curiosity led him back to his old neighborhood. Upon arrival, he found his childhood home in a state of decay. A neighbor handed him a letter that his mother had left for him. With trembling hands, he opened the letter and read his mother's words. In the letter, his mother revealed a secret she had kept hidden for years. When he was 3 years old, he had suffered an accident that left him with only one eye. She, to protect him from the taunts of other children, had given him one of her own eyes. Tears welled up in the son's eyes. He understood the unconditional love and sacrifice of his mother. He felt deep remorse for his past actions and wished he could tell her how much he loved her. He decided to visit her, but upon arriving at his old home, he found his mother resting in peace. He realized all the effort his mother had put into raising him and the life of deprivation she had lived. This story reminds us of the importance of valuing our loved ones while they are with us, before it's too late. Learn to appreciate life's true treasures today, because tomorrow may be too late. The story we have just shared is a powerful reminder of several life lessons we can extract. Valuing our loved ones. We often take for granted those who matter most to us without realizing the sacrifices and love they provide. Appreciating our parents and relatives while they are present is crucial. Not judging without knowing the complete truth. The son in the story harshly judged his mother without understanding the reason behind her actions. Sometimes, our assumptions and prejudices can cloud our understanding of others' circumstances. The power of forgiveness and reconciliation. Although the son eventually understood his mother's sacrifice, sadly, it was too late to reconcile with her. This part of the story teaches us that forgiveness and reconciliation are essential in family relationships. Learning from our past mistakes. The son felt deep remorse for how he treated his mother in the past. This lesson reminds us that it's important to learn from our mistakes and act more compassionately and understandingly in the present. The importance of communication. The story also highlights the lack of communication between the son and his mother. Opening effective lines of communication can prevent misunderstandings and unnecessary resentments. In summary, this story invites us to reflect on our relationships with our loved ones, how we treat those around us, and how we value what we have in life. It also reminds us never to take for granted the opportunity to express love and gratitude to those who matter before it's too late. If this content has touched you, I invite you to subscribe to the channel and give it a like. Your support motivates us to continue sharing reflections that can make a difference in your life. Join our community and let's grow together. Thank you, and until the next video.